hear that? This is during the day. This is literally noontime. And you can hear so many birds. And actually, there are monkeys here also. Not right now, but there are monkeys in this area. So it's a really, really natural landscape. You are technically in the province, but you're inside this very safe and quiet and secure subdivision. It's a private escape. It's the perfect weekend getaway. Perfect weekend estate. Oh, and it's Japanese inspired too, so you might want to check it out. Okay, so today we'll be going around this Japanese-inspired home. This is actually a weekend home, and you'll see why in a little bit. So on the left side facing the house, you have a 2-vehicle carport, and everything's open because you are still inside a very secure and private subdivision. And then here on technically the central part of the facade of the property, you have a few steps up leading to your porch. You actually have a porch, and then from here you can really fully appreciate the view that's in front of the house. You feel like you are in the European countryside. I am not kidding. That is literally what it looks like and what it sounds like. Ang galing. That was a paid actor. Anyway, so yun nga, from the porch, and I don't often say porch in our tours, right? Because not many houses here in the Philippines have porches, but this one does, and it's to make the most out of that view. So on this portion, you have a little sneak peek of it's not exactly a backyard, is it? It's more of a side yard. And then here on this other side, you have the main entrance. So it's a solid wooden door with a digital door lock. Very timeless, very simple and clean lines. And again, it's Japanese inspired. So just because it's simple and clean and modern doesn't mean it's devoid of character. So when you enter, you really feel like it's a rest house. Like the intention for this home is to rest. So you have your open space for your living, your dining, and your kitchen. And this is where the family or you and your friends are gonna hang out, chit-chat, play board games, karaoke, you name it. You have double height high ceiling. You can sort of see certain portions of the second floor. And from here, you can see the rest of the side yard. Heavy air coats on that. You have a swimming pool, a garden. Actually, you can even practice putting for golf, which again, you will see in a while, but we're not gonna show you that yet. Mamaya na yun sa dulo ng video. For now, let's check out the interior. So you have your kitchen over here in this corner. You have your refrigerator, you have your built-in induction stove, you have your sink on this side. And you even have this built-in stainless steel plate, presumably for chopping and preparing meals. Prep work. Clearly, I don't know my kitchen terms. And then you have an island counter over here with a bar, as well as your prep area here with storage underneath. And you also have the modular outlets, the ones that you can move around depending on your needs. You have lots of storage, and of course you have your built-in microwave and oven. Of course you have a dining area that's big enough to actually fit a 10-seater setup. And then before we head up the main stairs, let's check out what's beside the main entrance. So here we have a den. So it's a beautiful square room. Again, very clean lines, but it actually has a lot of lines. So itong part na to, parang felt like material. So I'm not quite sure what it is exactly called, pero ang ganda niya for audio. So yung sound, kumbaga, hindi siya nagbabounce from hard surface. So this is perfect as a den, playroom, entertainment room, but if you need it, if you needed it to be a bedroom, pwede rin naman. Especially because right next to it, you have a full toilet and bath with a sink, a toilet, a urinal, and a partially enclosed shower area. But of course, this also acts as your guest toilet and bath. Okay, let's check out the second floor. But before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in the Tagaytay area, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. And yes, I know I said Tagaytay, and while the views here are incredible, I bet you didn't expect it to be this nice. Okay, so since the idea of this rest house is to rest, the rooms are kept simple and streamlined for that particular purpose. So right next to your main stairs, you have bedroom number 1. Of course, we do have that den on the ground floor, on the main floor, but we're gonna treat this as bedroom number 1. So you have access to a balcony that faces the back of the property, but also take note that you do have lots of greenery here, and that's perpetually gonna be like that. That's gonna stay that way unobstructed. So you have a lot of space, big enough to fit a king-sized bed, or in this case, dalawang full-sized beds. You have a space for a desk, and then you have a door that leads to your walk-through closet, as well as your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space with a bathtub that has a view. Okay. And then following the rest of the corridor, which is open below, by the way, so you can see your living area, you have bedroom number 2. So this one has a queen-sized bed, and the walls are different. So this one kind of matches the wall treatment dun sa den. So you have lots of space. You have access to a balcony, and this one faces the swimming pool. And you also have enough space for a little office corner or a desk. So just in case you needed to work over the weekend, not that you want to, but just in case you needed to, you could set that up as a little office. And then you have access to your walk-through closet. Love that the door opens all the way through. And then you have your ensuite toilet and bath, again with your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space with a bathtub, and again a view of the back of the property. So the flooring is actually wood planks, so just in case hindi siya halata. Okay, now at the end of this corridor, open corridor, you have a picture window. So it's a fixed window, tas dito sa taas may dalawang awning that you can open up for ventilation. But basically you have a view of your neighborhood, and again it's just greens, and actually tubig din out in the distance. Let's see, let's open this one first. So here you have access to a balcony, again that has a view of the front as well as the side of the property, and you can appreciate your, I'm just calling it as a side yard, but really it's a yard. and as well as the rolling hills of this area. This is the kind of view that you have to experience in person. Also, since we have a view of the swimming pool, you also have a view of the solar panels. So yes, this home actually is solar powered. So your electricity needed for the swimming pool, the appliances, the air conditioning units, plural, powered na by solar. Okay, and then over here we have bedroom number 3. And this one has access to a balcony at the front of the property. And again, it has a view of the rolling hills of this subdivision. You have lots of space. You have space for a bed, a sofa. You have an ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, a toilet, and a partially enclosed shower space. No bathtub this time. And you also have access to a storeroom. Okay, so di ko na mapakita yung loob kasi may konting gamit. But that is basically a storeroom. And again, when you go out, you can see your living area as well as the rest of the floor. Okay, one more floor up. So this is kind of like your attic. So you have this area over here that leads to 3 doors, and dito pa lang mapapansin mo that it follows the roof line. So yung shape ng roof, susundan na ng ceiling. We have here a door that leads to the family room. So technically, pwede rin siyang bedroom. It does have an ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, a toilet, and a shower area. No bathtub. And it also has access to a storeroom right here. But yeah, just look at the ceiling. It follows, again, the roof line. And then you have access to 2 balconies this time. One that faces the back of the property and one that faces the side. And from here, mas kita mo na yung Taal. So, alam mong nasa Tagaytay ka talaga. But to have a better view of that, you can go out into the hallway and you have sliding doors that have access to that same balcony. And there it is. I love how the trees actually kind of frame the lake. So ang ganda, very peaceful. And you know you're in a very coveted part of, well, it's not quite Metro Manila, is it? So technically probinsya, but so many people love going to this area for a reason. Cooler climate, nicer environment, cleaner air, which is highlighted, especially when you go to the roof deck. And again, this is your view. Like, how is this an hour or so away from Metro Manila, right? It's like you're in a different country. That really is what it feels like. It's like you're in a different country. It's like you're in the European part of the world, but you're in the Philippines. And you're an hour away from Metro Manila, from the hustle and bustle. But this one is just so, parang medyo nakaka-shock yung difference niya from when I got in the car from Metro Manila and then when I got off, nandito na ako. It's like, oh, it's a completely different world. But yeah, okay, so that's been it. It's now time for a recap, but before that, make sure you check out these really chill B-rolls. Stepping out onto the side of the house, you have access to your swimming pool and your jacuzzi over there, as well as this nice little deck that you can hang out in and relax. You also have access to a toilet over there, as well as your daily kitchen or your staff area. And of course, everything that you see here right outside. It's meant to be, again, relaxed in. Okay, so recap. You have 600 square meters of lot area and then 380 square meters of floor area split between 3 levels. You have 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, and a 2-vehicle carport. And again, you're inside a really quiet and secure subdivision here in Tagaytay, including all of the views, as well as this peace and quiet. So if you are interested in a place like this, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello.
If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.